Welcome back to Baking with Babies, except it's just one today. Leslie's here with me. Andrea's sleeping.
I'm a baby.
Well, you are my baby. Sorry, that's forever. Amelia's at a play date. Eduardo isn't really into it today. In this video, we're going to make strawberry shortcake cupcakes.
What is this?
That is my spoon. My mixing spoon.
What?
It says Anna's Magic Mixing Spoon. Isn't that cute? Alright, so what you're going to need to do is preheat your oven to 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Then you need to prep a baking tray with parchment paper and then a muffin tin. We picked these to match the strawberries, except they're pink, not red. Alright. So just one of them. This recipe makes 12 cupcakes, and then we're going to start by making the shortbread. So what you'll need is a 1/4 cup of butter. Okay, you take this. 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. I'm going to plop it in the bowl. Good girl. And 1/2 cup of flour. So you do the sugar, put the sugar in the bowl. Good girl. Well done. And now the flour. Big, yeah. Okay, good girl. Is that everything?
Yeah.
All right, and then what we're gonna do is just mix that around and make sure that it mixes into a dough because we're gonna make biscuits. Now, can you take a handful of flour out of the bag and just plop it here? Just plop it like that.
Okay.
Good girl. Yeah, well done. Excellent. Now we're gonna spread it all around. Okay. We're gonna grab, okay, no, not too much. We're gonna grab our dough. Okay.
Can I do the dough? It smells so nice.
We're gonna grab a little bit more flour, not too much, and just rub it on this, okay? And then we're gonna roll it.
Can I roll?
Yeah, you can roll.
Yes.
Let mommy do a little bit.
No.
No, a bit more. Let mommy do a bit more. Because we need to get 12. Do a little bit more.
It's big.
Well, yeah, we need to do 12 little flowers. So, let's do one. Can you press that down for me? Press it down. Good girl. Now we're going to do another one. 2. Another one, you do it. 3. Another one, you do it. 4 and 5. Do it, press it down. Let's not have a repeat of Amelia taking the dough out of the Jammy Dodger. If anybody remembers that video, leave a comment down below. I think everybody probably remembers that. No. No, from here. Only from this pile, okay? Just grab our little flowers. Now we've got 12 little flowers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
It's 12, silly. I'm gonna bake these in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. To make the cupcakes, you will need 3/4 cups of butter, 3/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 eggs, 1 1/3 cups plus 1 tablespoon of plain flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I want you to put the butter in there, in the bowl. Good girl. All in. Well done. Is that it? Oh, gosh, there's loads. And put the sugar in. Wow, good girl. This way. Very good. Are you ready? We're gonna do the eggs.
I'm gonna do the eggs.
Can you help mommy? Crack, crack, crack. Alessia. There's an entire eggshell in there. Okay. I think mommy's gonna do it from now on, okay? You are so funny. 3, 2, 1. Right, now we're gonna add in the flour. You ready? Whoa, that was a lot. And the baking powder?
Powder.
Yeah. Careful. Good girl. A little bit more. And then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Can you help me with the vanilla?
Yeah.
All right, you hold this. Good girl. Okay. And then pour it in. And again. Yay, good girl. Okay, Alessia, you get the best part because you're all by yourself today. You don't have to share with any brothers and sisters, do you?
Yeah.
Are you so lucky?
Yeah.
All right, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Get to like this by yourself. What do you say?
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, so now we're just gonna transfer that to the muffin tin. And you know the best part about this? We're gonna be using fresh strawberries and cream. Daddy has gone to collect Amelia from a play date. Super fun. And he brought Eduardo, didn't he? Oh my goodness, lick it. Now we're gonna bake these in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until they've risen nicely. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna make the topping, which is so fun.
Yay. But tomatoes.
They're not tomatoes. They're strawberries.
They're strawberries.
All right.
Okay,
guys. Are you guys ready?
Wow.
Biscuits.
What's that?
Vanilla.
What's this?
Strawberries. All right, we're back. Andrea's here. He's woken up from his nap. And we're gonna make the icing now, which isn't really icing, it's cream. But here are the cupcakes. They turned out great. Cupcakes. We have got the biscuits here as well. We've got 2 pots of cream. Double cream, that's sugar. Okay, boys and girls. Cream.
What?
It's not opening. There we go.
This.
Do you want to lick it?
Yeah.
Is that nice? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna make the cream the way Oma used to make it, which is super yummy. So we're gonna put 2 of these. You're right there, Alessia. That's a cupcake. Leave it there, good boy. Okay. You so excited? Yeah?
I just want to move.
You just want to move? Okay, hold on. Now we're gonna put this one in.
What?
So that's 2
What's that?
sugar. And then that is what we're gonna do now, Andrea. We're gonna take about 5 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar.
What's that?
Vanilla. 1,
What's that?
2,
What's
3, 4, 5.
that?
It's a board. Actually. Board. 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 Okay, and then we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla. That's enough.
Can I just mix this?
Well, Mommy's gonna mix it now. Good girl. Alrighty. Does anybody want to lick?
Yes,
You wanna lick? Yes, please. You wanna lick, Eduardo?
I wanna lick.
It's a gun.
A gun.
A gun, yeah. Do you know what a gun is?
Yeah. Look, Andrea. Red. Red. What?
It's cream.
Oh, cream. Hello. I need to go office. What?
On these.
Yummy. Mommy, this. Yummy, yum.
You okay? You get a fright. Don't be scared. Did you get scared? Okay, now we're gonna put a little bit more in, okay?
And chop.
That's not chop, that's cream.
Oh, cream.
You want some?
Yeah. Me.
Yummy.
Right.
It's cream.
Oh, cream.
Cream, yeah. Do you like cream? So on each cupcake, we're gonna stick some shortcake.
Cupcake.
Yes. Every cupcake, that's strawberries. Good boy, not tomatoes.
Strawberry.
Am I right?
Strawberry.
And then we're just gonna place
Open mouth.
a strawberry on each side. So I'm kind of gonna do like...
Open your mouth. Let's go and put our hands here so we can breathe us. Breathe us. It's wet. It's wet.
Is it wet?
Ooh.
You can eat that if you want to.
It's wet.
You don't like...
I want.
You can eat one if you want to.
Yay.
Oh, there we go.
Hiccups.
You okay, Andrea?
Hiccup.
You have hiccups? I think they might be fake hiccups though.
There's a hiccup.
Yeah, I think you might want to be like Lessie. That is the finished. You think it's yucky? Cool, thanks.
Whoa. Big cake.
Alright, that is the finished result. So we've got a shortcake and strawberries and cream and a cupcake underneath. So
This is going to be yummy.
yes. Alright, so let us know if you try this recipe.
What is cake?
We're gonna put it there.
This is a biscuit.
Yes, we're gonna have one now, okay? Thank you guys for watching today's video.
A biscuit.
Hope you enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more.
Look at Andrea.
I know. And we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Bye. Can you say goodbye?
Bye.
Say bye.